Magandang hapon po ng November 16, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng November 16, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, November 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasa para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 16, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot prize of Grand Lotto 655 is the starting jackpot prize of 29,700,000 pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot prize tonight is the starting jackpot prize of 5,940,000 pesos for November 16, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 16, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.